Hey there, outdoor enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of camping shelters. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just starting out, having the right shelter can make or break your outdoor adventure. In this video, we'll be exploring 3 fantastic camping shelters that will keep you cozy and protected during your next wilderness escapade. So, let's jump right in. Our first contender is the classic dome tent. Known for its simple yet effective design, the dome tent has been a staple in the camping world for decades. This shelter gets its name from its characteristic shape, a curved, dome-like structure that's easy to recognize. Setting up a dome tent is a breeze. Most models come with color-coded poles and clear instructions. This makes it an excellent option for beginners and families with kids. The dome shape not only provides stability against wind and rain but also offers ample headroom, making it comfortable to move around inside. Inside the dome tent, you'll find divided spaces and pockets to keep your gear organized. Some models even have separate rooms, which can be great for privacy. Dome tents are available in various sizes, from solo tents to larger ones that can accommodate groups. Let's take a quick look at the pros and cons of dome tents. Pros: quick and easy setup, great for beginners. Good stability in windy conditions. Ample headroom and interior space. Available in various sizes and styles. Affordable options for budget-conscious campers. Cons: less efficient use of space compared to other designs. May not perform well in extreme weather conditions. Limited standing height in larger models. Next up, we have the backpacking tent. If you're an avid hiker or minimalist camper, this might be your perfect match. Backpacking tents are designed with portability in mind, making them ideal for those who prioritize lightweight gear. Setting up a backpacking tent can vary in complexity, but most models aim for a balance between weight and functionality. These tents usually come with a single or double wall design. Single wall tents are lighter but may have less ventilation, while double wall tents offer better breathability and protection from condensation. Inside, you'll notice that backpacking tents are more snug in terms of space. They're optimized for sleeping and shelter, which means you might have limited room for moving around. However, their compact size allows you to set up camp in tighter spots, like on rocky terrain or in dense forests. Let's weigh the pros and cons of backpacking tents. Pros: extremely lightweight and portable. Suitable for hikers and minimalist campers. Can be set up in tight spaces. Available in various sizes and configurations. Some models offer excellent weather resistance. Cons: limited interior space and headroom. May not be as comfortable for extended stays. Setting up can be more intricate than dome tents. Less insulation in colder conditions. Our final shelter takes us to the realm of luxury camping, the canvas cabin tent. If you're looking for a spacious and comfortable camping experience, this might be your go-to choice. Setting up a canvas cabin tent can be a bit more involved due to its size and structure. These tents often feature a robust frame system and heavy-duty materials like canvas. This not only provides excellent weather resistance but also creates a cozy atmosphere inside. Inside the canvas cabin tent, you'll feel like you've brought your home to the outdoors. These tents offer generous headroom and ample space for sleeping, relaxing, and even storing your gear. Many models come with dividers to create separate rooms, adding a touch of privacy. Let's break down the pros and cons of canvas cabin tents. Pros: spacious interior with high ceilings. Comfortable for extended stays. Provides a cozy and homey atmosphere. Great weather resistance and durability. Suitable for families and large groups. Cons: heavier and bulkier to transport. Setup can be time-consuming and requires more effort. Higher cost compared to other tent types. Limited portability for backpacking or hiking trips. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. 3 fantastic camping shelters that cater to different preferences and needs. Whether you're a solo backpacker, a family of campers, or someone who values comfort above all, there's a shelter out there for you. Remember, when choosing your camping shelter, consider factors like the weather conditions, the length of your trip, and your personal preferences. No matter which shelter you opt for, make sure to practice leave no trace principles and respect the environment you're exploring. Thanks for joining us today on this shelter showcase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting outdoor content. Until next time, stay safe, stay adventurous, and keep exploring the great outdoors.